Val, as in Valkyria and Valhöll, does not necessarily mean death, battlefield, and such imprinted misunderstanding. Val in Icelandic means a choice, verb velja, to choose. Valur, a hawk, Old English, Vilhafok. Hawks were sold to Valand. Valur, a dead body on a battlefield, falla í valin, fall to the ground, slain, or simply fallin í valin, he died. Valur can be a poetic term for a horse. Valur, a proper name, a hawk. Haukur, also a proper name. Also fálki, but calling someone fálki has the meaning stupid. Valur can be an epithet, nickname. And valur as an adjective means rounded, ávalur. Val, Sanskrit, means to return home, go home, and we have Valkyria and Valhöll, who really are all about getting us home to where we belong, where we came from in the first place, what we are, show us what we should know about life, and that we do fully alive. Some Churchians are so dedicated to death that all their life they are waiting for death. They focus on death, live for death, prepare for the death of their body. Death does not exist, life only. Nothing dies when a body is recycled. There is no need for their heaven or hell after the death of a body. Well, yes, as a tool, it has a useful purpose as the carrot on the stick, obey or else, but of no other use. Valkyria serves living men. Every day we go to Ásgarður, Sleipnir is our vehicle. Each time we take a trip to Ásgarður, Sleipnir, our nervous system, becomes sleeker and better, free of stresses, more refined. Our nervous system, that highly evolved human possession, carries in its open channels all the good attributes of the divine into our life on earth. We imbibe the expressed orderliness of total natural law in Ásgarður and live it in Miðgarður, in our body. Ásgarður, Ragnarsjöt, Tívatún, all mean the abode of the gods who preside over the flawless laws of nature. This is the sphere of life which resets, retunes our individual consciousness with the perfection when we contact it. We see nature with our eyes, but not until we are pure do we perceive the all-permeating intelligence which nature is in essence. How do we see what nature is in essence? How can we do that? That we do by nísa niður, nose down, peep, peek, into, under. See that which she hides from us while we are impure. And what would that be? What do we find? That is us, ourselves. We are finding ourselves here, looking at ourselves here. We now see through nature. We see her beautiful schauspiel, phenomenal expressions, but not her reality until we have become pure. Many a man claims to be a pagan, claims to be ásatrúar, labels himself as a heathen, but ignorantly chews on imprinted rubbish about his cherished faith, lies who were invented original to put disdain on it. Are we brainwashed to the extent as not to know other than the imprinted lies? The trouble with brainwashing for the brainwashed one is that he does not see it. The benefits of brainwashing for the brainwasher, the one who imprints the lies and bans the truth, is that the brainwashed one does not see it. This blindness of being brainwashed counts for utter lack of proper education. We are not even taught why we choose to be born. Too many seem not to know anything else than the imprinted lies from the dark ages of ignorance. During the past ages, the little knowledge there was about nísa niður, transcend the sphere of thoughts, became talk only, philosophized about with words only. Those philosophers and spiritually minded men who really knew what they were teaching were misunderstood. Their words understood only as to mean the thinking level of mind. Val, from Sanskrit, found also in our Norse mythology, has the meaning to return home, go back to where we belong, where we came from, what we are, our real home. We shall also know Valhöll to be a higher state of consciousness of a living man. That is where we belong. Churchian scholars might see death where there is life. If you hear Churchian scholars claim death to be the snake on Gunder's troop cauldron, know them to be blinded by their death devotion. Dr. Devdutt Patanaik will tell you that the snake is Karkotaka, listening. Brainwashing is of the nature that we do not see it, you see. This is the smart Roma strategy, still working on us today. Our forefathers knew the importance of Nisa Niður connecting to the source of all. We shall regain their knowledge. Then we might label ourselves as heathens. Their knowledge is purifying. The easiest is to learn TM, Transcendental Meditation, the natural, effortless way for the mind to expand to Glaðheimar. We shall learn the science of complete knowledge of natural law, Maharishi Vedic science. By Nisa Niður to Lokfara Lundurbarri, mind finds its innermost nature, which is the origin of all there is. And we shall regain the pure understanding. We are coming back home. Delightful.